Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your InstaPage paid subscription, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently cancel your InstaPage paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your InstaPage paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes new tools come out, so maybe you want to go ahead and save on your subscription fees instead of paying across multiple platforms. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your InstaPage dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my InstaPage dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently cancel your InstaPage account, you want to click on this little downward arrow next to your workspace. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button, My Account Admin. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see more information about your account, but you want to click on this button here on the left called Subscription. Okay, once you click there, you will see more information about your paid subscription on InstaPage. You can see I have the optimized plan. However, in order to permanently cancel your account, look for this blue button here on the bottom left called Cancel Account. Okay, next, InstaPage asks why you would like to cancel your paid subscription. So go ahead and just choose whichever one applies to you. Okay, once you do that, you want to click on Continue. Okay, next they let you know that your subscription will continue up until the point that you've already paid for. So it's not like you get a refund. However, after the amount that you've already paid for, InstaPage will stop billing on your credit card. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on Cancel Account. I'm not going to do that because I actually still use my InstaPage account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently cancel your InstaPage paid subscription, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.